Hello,
Hello,
nice to meet you. What's your name?
I am Ujjwal. Nice to meet you.
Ojwel. Okay, lovely to meet you. My name is Shona. Thank
Oh, nice name.
you. Where are you from, Ojwel?
I am from India and I'm from the northern part of India. Basically, my state name is Uttar Pradesh.
Okay, all right. I had a friend who was also from Uttar Pradesh, in fact, not long, I imagine not very far from you.
That sounds great.
Yes. Okay, and well, why are you on Cambly? Because I imagine you already speak very good English.
Mhm. Thank you. Yeah, actually, I want to be brush up my confident level as well. I want to be fluent in English. So that is why I joined Cambly. I used to
Okay.
Yeah, I used to watch a lot of videos on YouTube about Cambly conversation. So I thought that I should join Cambly. So yeah, that's why I'm here.
Okay, very good, very good. Well, how long have you been using Cambly for?
Yeah, I've been learning English. I've been using Cambly for maybe it is my second month.
Second month, okay. And what do you think as a student? Do you like it? Do you not like it?
Yeah, I liked it too much because like at my first month, so like initially, so like it was difficult to understand the different accent in American accent, like other countries accent. But now eventually I can understand all the things and I can talk about every topic. So yeah, it is very good.
Okay, so it's
Yeah, that.
working, so that's good. Okay, very good. And so why are you learning English? Are you thinking of working abroad or studying abroad or?
Not studying abroad. Actually, I have a small business. Actually, my father have his own business. So we are manufacturer of handicraft products. So we produce our product and we sell our products in international market, the USA, the UK,
Okay,
Germany. Yeah. So
all
in
right.
this, yeah. So in this, uh, I have to handle my customers in English. So that's why I joined Camly.
Mhm.
So
Right. Yes. And did you say it was handicapped products? It's what did you say? What type of product is
It's,
it?
it's handicraft. Wait, handy. This is
Ah,
made,
handcrafted.
yeah, this is made by
Okay.
hand.
Yes, it's
Yeah.
handcrafted. Okay.
Yeah.
So typically, is it clothes? Is it furniture? Is it decorative
Mm,
items?
yeah, it is like decorative items and the lamps and decorative animals. So such type of stuff. So we produce this in India and sell them.
Okay, all right, very good. Okay, and well, it sounds very interesting. So it's nice to have a job where you can be a bit creative. You know, you have the creative aspect, but also the
Yeah.
sales business aspect. So there's lots of sides. Yeah.
So that, yeah, yeah. So that's
Very
why,
good.
yeah. So that's why I'm doing my graduation BBA, Bachelor of Business Administration.
Okay, okay. Well, it's a good one because actually I'm working in a university in the south of France. And it's a business university. You could only study business there. And we have lots of Indian students that come over to do exactly the same thing. Indian Chinese students, lots that come to do a bachelor's in business administration, you know. And usually it's a good topic to choose. It's a nice one to choose.
Yes.
You can use it
Yes.
for many types of things.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. And
What do you
so
do besides like what do you do besides Cambly?
me, I work in the university. So I work in a university here in the south of France, and I'm working in their international department. So it's for all of the international students that come to France. Our office helps them with visas, accommodation,
Yeah.
registering for social security here in France, all of the all of the basic integration steps. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, that's pretty interesting.
Yes, it is. It is. I love
Mm.
it because you get to talk to many students from all over the world. So I love
Mhm.
it.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it
And
is
your
very interesting to
university,
interact. Yeah,
sorry.
yeah, I'm saying like it is with different countries, peoples. So
Mm,
yeah.
yes, absolutely. Absolutely. I love it. And your university in Uttar Pradesh, was it big? Was it small?
Yeah, it is big. Like it is a university, TMU, the Central Mahavir University. So it is a big
Okay.
university. Yeah,
Hmm.
yeah.
Do you miss
So,
it?
sorry.
Do you're I think you're finished now, so do you
No,
miss it?
no, it's my first year. So I've just
Ah, okay, so you've just started. Okay, very good, very good.
starting my graduation right now.
Yes, yes. And you like the school? You like the classes?
Yeah, I like the classes basically because I used to study in school, but now I'm in college, so I have opportunity to make new friends. So and I do
Mhm.
it. So yeah, that's a good that's good experience for me.
Yeah. Is it easy to make friends in such a big university when there's so many people?
Yeah, like it is easy. I can make friends in my class. So yeah, it is becoming easy.
Okay, okay. It is becoming easier. Yeah, very good. Exactly. All right. Good, 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 good. Well, I'm glad. We need to be surrounded by people, by friends, you know. It makes the experience much better.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Very good. And how long has your family owned this business? How long has the business been in the family?
Yeah, my father has been optimizing this business like for 2 or 3 years maybe.
Okay, 2 or 3 years ago. Very good.
Mm.
Okay. And so it's new. It's relatively new.
Yeah, yeah, like it is new. Actually, we have shipped like 2 or 3 shipment in New
Mhm.
Zealand, but
Very good.
yeah, due to some reasons we stopped the business. But now, like I'm restarting the business. So
Hmm.
yeah.
Very good. Very good. And who designs the products that you sell? Who's the designer?
Actually, my father designed the products by his
Hmm.
own. Yeah, and they order to the laborers to make these type of stuff. So the laborers make the products. So
Okay. The laborers you wanted to say. Sorry, what?
laborers.
The labors. Usually labor is work. So I think you mean the laborers. Yes, okay, the workers. Yeah, very good.
Yeah.
Yeah, 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 yeah. Very good. So yes. Do you have a big team or is it a small team?
No, I haven't like such a big team. So we just have a small team. Mostly work. My father handle mostly work, and I'm able to handle a bit work. So yeah, we both can handle like all the work which we have right now. So
Okay.
yeah,
All right, okay. So it's the perfect level for you at the moment. So you
yeah,
don't, it's not too much, it's not too little, it's just perfect.
yeah, she's perfect right now.
Yeah. And do you think you were saying you do shipments to New Zealand, everything like that? Do you think you will get a chance to visit New Zealand or any of these countries eventually?
Mm, yeah, actually, get any chance to visit any country, so it's a good opportunity for us. So and we can visit another country and show our products,
Mm.
how we design the product, and like we can let us we can let know we can explain more about our products to
Hmm.
our
Yeah.
customers. Yeah,
Very
so
good. We can teach them more about our products. Very good.
yeah.
Exactly. Yeah. Well done. Very good. Okay. And then anything like that, it's great for you as well because it's a good excuse to travel and you are doing it for professional reasons because it's for a business meeting, you know? So
Yeah.
it would be nice. It would be very nice.
Yeah.
Yeah. And do you have brothers and sisters that help with the business?
Yeah, I have a brother and a sister, but my brother is younger than me, so he's doing like he's preparing for his exam because he's in 10th grade, so his exam is about to come. And
Okay.
and my sister is doing a Master of Arts, so
What
yeah,
is she studying?
MA, Master of Arts.
Yes, but which subject? Is it art or is it a different subject?
Yeah, it contains like English, double English,
Mhm.
and home science. So I don't know much about
Okay,
that. So
okay, all right, all right. But she likes it anyway, yes?
yeah, yeah, she likes.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Would you like to do a master's after you're finished with the bachelor's?
Yeah, I like and I will do like I'll do MBA, Master of Business Administration. Like after my graduation, I will do my post graduation MBA.
Okay, all right, okay. So the same subjects, just go from from business administration bachelor's into business administration master's. Yeah,
Yeah, yeah. But it will
yeah.
take more time. Like we have to spend 6 years, like three in graduation and after three in post graduation.
Okay, all right. Yes. Here, that's interesting. It's a long time. Here,
Yeah.
it depends. Normally, the bachelor's is 3 years. The in Europe, generally, a master's can be 1 year or 2 years, but typically it's 2 years. But it is possible to do a 1 year, very intensive master's course, and you just commit yourself to doing 45 hours a week, 50, 50 hours a week, but you only pay 1 year tuition and it's you're finished after a year. So it's good. It's good too.
Yeah,
Mhm.
yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. And so what are you going to do this weekend? What are your plans?
Yeah, like I haven't planned yet for the further weekend. But yeah, like my plan, like the plan can make suddenly. So
Mhm.
yeah, we can go anywhere probably if plan will make.
Yeah.
So, but
Very
yeah,
good.
yeah, yeah,
If we make plans, yeah, very good. Exactly. Very good. That's it. So
yeah,
it depends on whether at least you're flexible. Very good. Well, that's good. Well, anytime you have to go through, anytime you have to go plan things for a weekend, I always find if your weekend is full, you don't rest as much. I prefer a spontaneous weekend like you. I like to have nothing planned and to just, if someone says, do you want to go for coffee? Like in an hour, to be like, yes, I don't like having a structured plan for my weekend.
yeah.
Um,
I get
do you
happens.
have, yeah, yeah. Do you have hobbies you like to do on the weekend?
My hobbies, usually I play some outdoor game and play some mobile games. So
Mhm,
yeah, this is my hobby rated, and I do watch movies
mhm.
Bollywood movies. So yeah, these are my hobbies, and sometimes I listen some sad songs and English songs. So yeah, this type
Right.
of.
Okay. We're similar. I love sad music and I love video games as well. But I don't play video games on my phone very much, but I like to play it on a console, like on a PlayStation, for example.
Oh,
Yeah.
do you have a PlayStation?
I have a PlayStation, yeah. And so I
Oh,
have one in the house and I love to play Assassin's Creed in particular. Mm.
oh, okay. So have you ever
It's a
played like GTA?
GTA, no, but I've heard it's meant to be very good. Everyone loves it.
Oh,
So next time I'll try and play it.
yeah.
Well, I think we're out of time, but look,
Yeah.
goodbye and have a nice
Yeah.
day.
Yeah, nice to meet you. Bye.
Nice to meet you.
Bye.